Samsung's long-anticipated tri-folding smartphone, the one we've been hearing whispers about for what feels like forever, is now closer than ever to being officially released. Over the past few months, we've seen the rumors pile up, and by October, Samsung had even shown off the device publicly for the first time, though without confirming its name or much else. Reports that followed hinted that the launch could happen before the year ends, and just yesterday we learned that the phone will hit the market on December 5th. The device will roll out in very limited quantity, and availability will be limited to South Korea and select Asian markets like China, Singapore, and the UAE, making it one of the company's most premium and exclusive devices to date. Specs leaked alongside that report mentioned a 6.5-inch cover display, a massive 10-inch internal display, and a 5,600 mAh battery. Today, we have some more information about the device coming from one of the most credible leakers in the business, Blass. In his latest post, he not only confirms the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold as the official moniker, but also spills several key details that add a lot more weight to what we already knew. According to Blass, the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold will feature a 6.5-inch cover display with an impressive peak brightness of 2,600 nits, and when fully unfolded, the screen real estate expands to a 10-inch internal panel capable of hitting 1,600 nits. Under the hood, the device will be powered by a Snapdragon processor, though Blass doesn't specify which one. Previous reports have mentioned two possibilities, either the Snapdragon 8 Elite from the Galaxy Z Fold 7 or the newer Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. But given that the Tri-Fold's development has been in motion for quite a while, the older chip seems more likely, but even that would still deliver flagship-level performance, but it's best we wait till the phone hits the market. On the back, we're looking at a 200-megapixel primary camera, while the rest of the camera setup is expected to resemble what we saw on the Galaxy Z Fold 7, which already offered solid results, so the Tri-Fold should be right up there in terms of image quality. As for battery, Blass lists a capacity of 5,437 mAh, slightly lower than 5,600 mAh we saw yesterday, but it likely means the battery has a rated capacity of 5,437 mAh, which Samsung will market as a 5,600 mAh typical capacity. Anyway, a Samsung patent from October showed that each of the phone's three panels could house its own battery unit, a clever approach that helps balance weight and maintain a slim profile. Still, Blass adds that each three panels apparently aren't all the same thickness, coming in at 3.9mm, 4mm, and 4.2mm respectively. That unevenness probably won't be noticeable in day-to-day use, but it highlights just how intricate this design really is. And considering the phone is expected to measure around 4.2mm when unfolded and 14mm when folded, Samsung seems to have done an impressive job keeping things compact despite the complexity. With all these details lining up and multiple sources pointing to a December launch, it really feels like Samsung's first ever tri-folding smartphone is finally ready to step out of the shadows. Production is rumored to be capped at just 50,000 units initially, so this is shaping up to be a rare and highly collectible piece of tech. That said, I'm keeping a close eye on this device and will report here once I get more information, so consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.